Power BI is a powerful tool that transforms the way you handle data. It helps you analyze data and share insights with your team or organization effortlessly. You can create interactive dashboards and detailed reports that are visually appealing and easy to understand. Power BI is user-friendly and can connect to a wide variety of data sources, making it highly versatile. Many professionals across different industries use Power BI to gain valuable insights from their data. Data analysts use it to dive deep into data, uncovering trends and patterns that inform strategic decisions. Businesses leverage Power BI to make informed decisions, driving growth and efficiency. You can use Power BI to track your data in real time and share insights with colleagues or stakeholders. Power BI is an integral part of the Microsoft Power Platform, enhancing its capabilities. It integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft tools like Excel, enhancing your data analysis experience. You can access Power BI on your computer or through the cloud, providing flexibility and convenience. It is a versatile tool that caters to all your data analysis needs, whether on desktop or mobile devices. Getting started with Power BI is easy and straightforward. First, download Power BI Desktop. It's free for personal use and available for both Windows and Mac. You can find it on the Microsoft website. The installation process is simple and quick. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once installed, launch Power BI Desktop from your applications. You'll see the welcome screen. It has options to connect to data, open recent reports, or get started with tutorials. You can connect to various data sources. These include Excel files, databases, and online services like Google Analytics. Choose a data source and connect to it. Power BI will preview your data, allowing you to make sure everything looks correct. You can then start creating reports and dashboards. Use the drag and drop interface to add charts, graphs, and other visual elements. Power BI offers a free trial for the cloud service. This lets you experience the full power of Power BI, including advanced analytics and sharing capabilities. You can collaborate with others and share your insights in real time, making it easier to work as a team and make data-driven decisions. Power BI has many features that make it a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization. One key feature is data visualization, which allows users to create a wide variety of visual representations of their data. You can create charts, graphs, and maps to represent your data in a visually appealing and easy to understand manner. These visuals help you understand your data better and make informed decisions based on the insights you gain. Another important feature is data modeling, which allows you to shape and transform your data to fit your analysis needs. You can shape and transform your data using various tools and techniques provided by Power BI. This prepares your data for analysis, ensuring that it is clean, accurate, and ready for use. Power BI also has a feature called DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions. DAX is a powerful formula language that allows you to create complex calculations and data manipulations. You can use it to create calculated columns and measures, adding more depth to your data analysis. These calculated columns and measures can provide deeper insights and more detailed analysis. Power BI lets you share your insights easily with others. You can publish your reports to the Power BI service, making them accessible to your team and stakeholders. Others can view and interact with your reports, providing feedback and collaborating on data analysis. Collaboration is easy with Power BI, as it supports multiple users working together on the same report. You can work on reports with colleagues in real time, making it a highly collaborative and efficient tool for data analysis. Section 4. Building your first dashboard. Creating a dashboard in Power BI is simple. First, Connect to your data source. Then, select the visuals you want to use. Drag and drop fields onto the canvas to create visualizations. You can customize your visuals, change colors, labels, and titles. You can also add filters and slicers to your dashboard. Filters let you focus on specific data. Slicers let you dynamically change the data being displayed. Once your dashboard is ready, you can save it. You can also share it with others. Power BI makes it easy to create and share interactive dashboards. Section 5. Creating insightful reports. Reports in Power BI are detailed analyses. They can include multiple pages and visuals. To create a report, start by connecting to your data. Choose the visualizations that best represent your data. You can add text boxes, images, and shapes to your reports. This helps you tell a story with your data. You can also group and summarize data. This helps you identify trends and patterns. Power BI offers various formatting options. You can customize the look and feel of your reports, make them visually appealing and informative. Section 6. Essential tips and tricks. Here are some tips for using Power BI efficiently. Use keyboard shortcuts to save time. Learn DAX formulas to perform complex calculations. Explore custom visuals to enhance your reports. Keep your data models clean and organized. Use descriptive names for your tables and columns. Document your work so others can understand it. Regularly check for updates to Power BI. Microsoft frequently releases new features and improvements. Section 7. Power BI, your gateway to data mastery. Mastering Power BI has many advantages. It helps you make better data-driven decisions. You can identify trends, spot opportunities, and solve problems. Power BI enhances your data analysis skills. It makes you a valuable asset to your organization. You can create compelling presentations and share your insights effectively. Power BI is a powerful tool for anyone who works with data. By mastering Power BI, you gain a competitive edge in today's data-driven world.